So one of the things that gets a lot of speakers is language placement. Like the placement, not a particular sound, but entire language. Language placement and understanding where the language lives when you're talking. For example, when you speak French, I don't know if you do, but if you try or if you listen French sits right here. It kind of like on the tip of your tongue over here. When you speak German, it sits more inside your mouth, right here. For example, French. S'il est ton charmant gazeux, que le ciel arrose, on sent tout en saison, quelques fleurs écloses, everything is right here. And the German is like, in dem Schatten meinem Locken schlief mir mein Geliebter ein. A little bit there. But at the same time, the thing about Russian, that Russian actually sits even further than German. It's just like total open space in your mouth. Я ли в поле да не травушка была. So you give like all that space inside your mouth to allow the language to live there. Like when I speak English, I speak more forward too, not as forward as French, but it's still like, I would see like the French lives right here and the English goes right there. In German, a little bit more further away, and Russian is just all the way on the back right there. That's the thing that creates an accent in your pronunciation too, because when, for example, French accent is like so recognizable because of the placement. They're trying to speak English, but their English is a little bit too much forward, so they're talking a little bit there on their lips. That's what creates the accent. At the same time, when Russian, like me, I'm talking English, and I'm not aware that I actually need to speak right here. So it creates a harder accent because like Russian all the way there, English is right here. Language placement and understanding where the language lives when you're talking will help you tremendously to improve your accent, because all the sounds that you're making will live in that space. Because when you're living in a different space, you just naturally make them incorrectly.